Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Jinwoo from Solo Leveling. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. We'll start off by drawing the eyes. We'll start with 2 curves for the tops of the eyes like this. Now thicken these lines up slightly. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw a circular curve, but we're going to leave it open on the top right. And then to close it off, let's draw a V-shaped notch in and back out. And lastly, on top, let's draw another curve for the eyebrows. And that's it for the eyes. Now we're going to hop out and draw the shape of the face. We'll start on the sides and let's draw a line down. And then let's curve it down and in towards the center. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a curve at the bottom for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now we can move up and start drawing the hair. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw 2 curves, meeting at a point in between the eyes. Now on the right side, let's draw a curve down and back up. Another one next to it. And then curve it down to the side of the head. Now for the left side, let's add another piece in the same way. A skinnier one next to it. And bring it down. Next, let's hop to the top in the center and let's draw a curve up and down on the right side. Now from the end, let's curve it out towards the right and bring it down into the side of the head. Now let's hop back up to the top and let's draw a wavy line out to the left and curve it in underneath. Now let's add a curve down and back up, and then one more curve down into the head. And that's it for the hair. Next, on the sides, let's draw a curve for the ears. And then let's add another small curve inside at the top. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start with 2 angled lines down and out underneath the head. Then on top, let's angle it out. And then close off the bottom of each side. Now underneath, let's draw 2 long lines down for the sides of the jacket. Now before we finish drawing the jacket, let's hop inside and let's draw a curve at the top for the t-shirt, and then the bottom of the t-shirt with a curve across here. Then inside, let's draw 2 angles at the top and 2 at the bottom. Now let's hop to the right side and let's draw the first arm. Let's start at the shoulder and let's draw a curve down and bring it in. And another one next to it on the left. And close off the end of the sleeve. Now let's leave a small gap and let's draw a curve down. And then 2 curves in between for the hand. Now let's finish off this side of the jacket by bringing it down on the side and close it off at the bottom. And that's it for the right side. Now let's hop over to the left and let's draw the other side. Let's start a little bit lower and let's draw a line down for the side of the jacket. And close it off at the bottom. Now we're going to hop back up, and under the shoulder, let's draw an angle down and curve it up at the end. Now for the end of the sleeve, let's draw a U-shaped curve like this and curve it down underneath and back in. Now at the end here, let's draw the hand. Let's start with 2 small angles up and then a longer curve across for the bottom of the hand. Now from the right side, let's bring it up and curve it back in for the thumb. And let's draw 4 more fingers to close off the hand. And then lastly, let's add a curve across the palm. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. Let's start in the center underneath the t-shirt and let's draw 2 lines down. And then hop out and 2 more lines underneath the jacket here. And a curve across to close off the bottom. Now for the feet, let's draw a line down on the inside and an angled curve from the outside. And then close off the bottom of each foot. And that's it for Jinwoo. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!